Hello, digital marketers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, mastering digital marketing is crucial for success in our ever-evolving industry. Today, I'm here to share some essential tools and strategies that can elevate your marketing game. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. It's the backbone of digital marketing. To master SEO, you need tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs. Google Analytics provides insights into your website's traffic and user behavior, while Ahrefs is great for competitor analysis and keyword tracking. Now, SEO is a fantastic start, but it's content that keeps your audience coming back. For managing and optimizing your content, I highly recommend tools like BuzzSumo and SEMrush. BuzzSumo allows you to discover the most shared content on social media, giving you an idea of what's trending. SEMrush, on the other hand, offers detailed insights that help you optimize your content for search engines and social media alike. Moving on to social media marketing. It's no secret that social media is a powerhouse for marketers. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite are lifesavers for scheduling posts and analyzing social media traffic. They help you stay active on social media and engage with your audience without spending every moment online. Email marketing is another crucial strategy. With platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact, you can design, send, and track email campaigns that really speak to your audience. The key here is personalization. The more personalized your emails, the better the response rates. Lastly, let's not forget about analytics. Understanding data is key to refining your strategies. Google's Data Studio can help you visualize your marketing data, making it easier to interpret and share with your team or clients. To wrap it up, mastering these tools and strategies can truly transform your digital marketing efforts. Remember, the digital world is always changing, so keep learning and adapting. That's how you thrive. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success in the digital marketing realm.